welcome back to my channel. Since I've already turned on my camera, let me just do 1 or 2 videos right now. I just finished filming my phone video. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing. I just unboxed my iPhone 17. I got the gift from my husband, and I also did a video on it on this particular YouTube, but the video is not extensively specified the way I did it on Instagram, but I just put up a clip there as well. But I don't know if I've posted my school videos, but if I've not posted it, maybe this video won't be going up. But if I've posted it, then I'll put up this video. Okay, guys, it's been a roller coaster, guys. If you don't know, I'm studying ticket player in Norway. Ticket player is nursing, okay, and it's my second degree. I've done my first degree, also my MSc masters, and right now I'm my second degree in nursing, ticket player. Okay, and yes, I know after my last video, most of you that have watched it want to know how I'm going, how I'm doing, and I'll tell you that, guys, things are going quite great. When I mean quite great, it's left for you to accept the situation and put most of your hard work in it, because nobody's going to do it for you. You're going to do it for yourself. So if you're thinking that the tax is too much, if you're thinking that it's something that you didn't expect, then I don't know how you're going to make it. So for me, I'm always very optimistic in things. My head is always straight in things. Like, I'm looking towards the positive end. That's okay, I'm going to finish well. This is always where I look at. Right now, we're preparing for semester exams. We have so many exams lined up. We have exam in October. This October, we have exam in December. We have exam in January. Even in Pyro, I and my family were planning to travel for Xmas, January, New Year thing. But as I was seeing it right now, it's not possible that I'm going to be traveling, but my husband will definitely travel. But I and the kids will be around because I have exam in January. Okay, so that is the sacrifices that these things are coming with. And I'm not even talking about the reading part, because you have to read. If you don't read, you cannot pass. If you don't even read, how will God be involved in your career? You have to read, you have to show eagerness, you have to show God that you're ready, then God will come in and help you. Do you understand? Yes, this course, if you want to know, this course, we're studying it in Norwegian language. This is not in English language, so you can imagine this is like a foreign language for me. But I've really gone extensively deep into learning this language, and the level I am in right now, I hopefully God will scale me through. Like I said, when you're showing your effort, then God will come in and help you in the rest of it. Okay, show you guys where I'm reading might be boring, but one day I'm just going to show you guys the way I study. You have to study the way I'm even studying, reading textbook, reading PowerPoint, reading materials in a different language amazes me. And when I read them, I understand. I have to explain. Another key method I use is some that are very difficult for me to like explain immediately. I have to try to explain it in my language, whether it's Igbo or in English. I just want to have an understanding of it. Then I pick it up in the language I'm using it, and it's helping me quite a lot. That is an aspect where I see the ones that are so difficult for me to scale through, because trust me, this is come on, do I have to explain to you? If you're a science student, you already know how this reaction things goes, and then you have to explain it vividly, how these chemical reactions and biological chemical reaction in human body and everything. You have to explain it in foreign language, but I feel if you understand it in your language, be it English or your local language, it will be easier for you to know actually what you're explaining in the foreign language. That is when you start to find it difficult to explain. So that is quite it. I've been reading, I've been studying. The first exam I'm having is like presentation, practical, thesis, being with having been with a patient, or to to do so many things. Show them that you have gone, show them what you have learned before we go for our practice next semester. That is practical. I'm speaking Norwegian praxis. But it's okay, that is just the level we're in right now. But this video will definitely not go up. This video will go up after I have posted my nursing journey videos. That is when this particular video is going to go up, so that it's gonna align, right? So I don't know when I'm posting this video, but anytime that particular videos airs, that is when this particular video will go on as well. Okay, guys, so today is Sunday. I just came back from church with the family. I unboxed my videos, and I'm upstairs to just fix up some of these things I'm doing right now. And when I'm done, I go and make I want to make yam porridge today. A lot of rice. That's back. Pasta, rice. You know, I'm not even in this journey of every Sunday rice for today. I want to make yam porridge yam and then eat or something like that, and that is just it. That's how my Sunday is going. I might involve you guys when I start reading my book, but for now this is what it is. We have been studying. The routine of putting these videos and my lectures and my studies one after the other didn't go as planned because got a lot to do, a lot to read. It wasn't that easy as I was thinking. I'm going to carry camera, going for classes. Come on, girl. Even to bring out my phone and do it, there is no time because I have to focus. Remember, I'm studying a foreign language, so I have to focus. I have to focus and I have to listen. And that is how it has been going, okay? Guys, enjoy this part of this video. From time to time, this video is just going to be a very short video, but I might just add when I'm reading and stuff like that, and a few clips and there, here and there later onwards. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.